Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make calendars on Canva apps. Now let's get started. First, after you open your Canva apps, in here you can at the menu, you can swipe until you can see three dots icon. In here you can see a three dots icon, so you just click on it, and after this you can swipe down until you can see a calendars. Where is calendars? In here you can see calendars, and then you can click on the see all. And in here you can see many template calendars for from Canva apps. So you just click the calendars that you wanted to use. I wanna try to make a calendar with this template. So you just click on it. And after this, if you want to save this calendar, so you just click on this icon and then click on download. Click on download. And after this, you can click on download again. And finish. So that's how to make calendars on Canva apps. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.